Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the currency pair, the United States dollars to the Japanese yen. And usually, we talk about fundamental analysis, and then we'll move right down ahead to technical analysis, which is going to be purely what we're seeing on the chart right now. So first, we need to know that the dollar was up in early trading Tuesday morning in the Asian session, following a very high risk overnight during the US trading session. And the strengthening of the dollar comes as reports in China suggest the government might probably be shifting its focus away from tighter regulation of sectors it is concerned about and towards shoring up more growth. And with the US Treasury yield curve steepening and bonds with shorter maturity climbing, the dollar rose, and the US dollar index that tracks the greenback against the basket of other currencies was up about 0.04% to 93.84 by 9:30 p.m. Eastern Distance Time, 1:30 a.m. GMT +1. Now, the USD JPY pair has been up about 0.14% to the 113.85 zone. The yen has been strengthened against the USD over the past few days after hitting the 114 mark last week, and Japan's producer index for September rose to about 0.9% year on year, compared to an expected increase of 1% and a similar increase in August. In South Korea, the USD crude pair also fell to about 0.26 or thereabout. So right now, moving down to technical analysis, which is going to be purely what we're seeing on the chart. We have noticed support and resistance zone being respected at this point using our trend lines. You mark one, the first support zone right here, and another identical one, double whammy, and now a pushback to the upside. So now what we're expecting is more progression to the upside from this point for the United States dollar, Japanese yen, and most likely a little pullback before a continuation of the trend to happen. So now to confirm this, we are looking at a 4 hours time frame as well. Yesterday, as we talked about, we can see a new bullish run breaking out of most recent resistance zone, and an expected continuation of the run is what we are actually having in the books. So now, checking out our daily time frame, we have seen a pullback occurred, and then now a pushback to the upside to continue the uptrend. So if we were to make an entry to this trade, what we should be presuming is 50 pips, and then we're out. So now, taking our stop loss input to be somewhere close to the most recent support zone, which we had, and then marking out a new one, putting in at this point, we have our SL to be at 113.616, and our TP, of course, from the entry point to be at the most recent resistance point, about 38 pips, let's say 50 pips about, at 114.424. So alternative scenarios suggest the retracement down to this point at 113.572. So that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, United States dollar to the Japanese yen. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.